HCI is the specialist of designing and manufacturing several types of converting machineries, including slitters and rewinders for flexible packaging, bag making machines and laminating machines, and so on.
We are producing converting equipment, as you mentioned. And converting equipment is to convert the material from upstream machine to the right size or form for next process, like using the slitting machine to slit the material into narrow width for bubble tea lid, or pouch making machine to convert the paper or plastic film into the bags or pouches for food or medical packaging. So what we are trying to do, and we are working hard on this, is we try to design and manufacture the machine to be more automation and more efficiency in order to reduce the waste and energy during the process for environment issue. For example, we took the challenge from customer recently, which is we designed a new rewinder for an oval shape products with many automatic feature with the machine. And the products was produced by at least 3 manual process before. Yeah, and also we have the new generation of the seaming machine for shrink sleeve with the turret rewinder, and we also have the new listed slitting machine with the non-stop turret rewinding system to help the automation and save the working time, process time in this production. Based on 40 years experience, HCI, we could design and manufacture a customized machine in order to assist our customer to overcome the bottleneck they encountered from their existing production process. And we may go into the blue ocean market competition. Due to COVID-19, the demand of slitting machine for male blown fabric for face mask, the pouch making machine for sterilization pouch and the reels are all increased. Also, people are mostly at home, eating at home. So especially family pack or vacuum pack for frozen food also has driven the slitting machine and bag making machine a lot. In the past 40 years, so we've been installed more than 4,000 units of HCI equipment in over 90 countries in the world. These years, we are working more hard on American and European market. And especially in Latin America and South America, we have a very good reputation in these years from the customer. And European market, we start from Central and East Europe, and now we have installed quite a lot of machines in Germany, Italy, France, UK, and Denmark, those developed countries. We are very good, and just like our slogan said, we offer a practical solution to your converting needs. As we know, the market demand is changing faster and faster, so we are not able to survive if we only do the routine job. Give us a try. We could offer the solution to your needs, and moreover, we may create the market demand together.